To install your EB2 brake controller, you'll need the unit itself, the 4 screws included in the box, a drill, a 4.5mm drill bit, a PH2 driver bit, a plug-and-play adapter, and, if you're using an Elecbrakes adapter, the included cable tie. We offer plug-and-play adapters to suit almost any vehicle and trailer combination. To find the right one, start by checking your vehicle's socket and matching it to the appropriate plug option. Then check your trailer's plug and match it to the corresponding socket. Plug-and-play adapters are sold separately, so make sure you purchase the right one. Now it's time to mount the EB2. Ensure one side of the unit is parallel to the ground for proper calibration. Avoid mounting it in enclosed spaces, like a toolbox, as this can interfere with the Bluetooth signal. Once you've identified a suitable mounting location, hold the EB2 in position and use the 4.5mm drill bit to mark the 4 mounting holes. Once the 4 hole locations have been marked, drill all 4 holes through the drawbar. Remove any swarf. Now change to the PH2 driver bit. Apply a small amount of lubrication to the threads of the screws, then fasten the EB2 to the drawbar using the screws provided. Next, plug the lead into the brake controller. The other end also needs to be plugged into the Deutsch socket on the adapter. Listen for the clicks to ensure the plugs are locked in. Connect the trailer side into the plug-and-play adapter. Then take the other side of the adapter and plug it into the vehicle. It's important to ensure you've left enough slack in the cable to allow a full range of motion. If you're using an Elecbrakes adapter, cable tie the lead and vehicle plug together close to the trailer plug, like this. That's it! Now you're ready to set up your brake controller with your smartphone using the Elecbrakes app.